In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Gmail from personal to business. This process is done through your Google account settings, and it helps Google tailor certain experiences for business use. Keep in mind that this does not turn a free Gmail address into a paid business email with a custom domain. Instead, it enables business personalization features connected to your account. The steps are quick, and you can always return later and change this setting again if you need to. To begin, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to update. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one, since the change will apply only to the account that is currently active. Once you are on Google, look for your account settings area. From there, select Data and Privacy on the left side of the page. This section controls how your account data is used and how certain personalized features behave across Google services, including Gmail-related experiences tied to your account. After you open Data and Privacy, scroll down until you find the area labeled Business Features. Move slowly as you scroll so you do not miss it, because it can be grouped with other privacy and personalization options depending on your screen size. In the Business Features section, click Business Personalization. This is where you can control whether your Google experience can be personalized with business-focused settings. Next, you will see a switch. Toggle that switch to On. Turning this on enables business personalization for the account, which may adjust how some features and recommendations are presented in Google services. Finally, click Save. This last step is important, because your change may not apply if you navigate away without saving. After saving, give it a moment to register, and you should be set. If you ever need to undo this later, you can return to the same Data and Privacy area and switch it back off. That covers everything you need to know.